All right, guys, let's go over this last problem. Well, I say one more. We'll do two more problems to help you finish this. Like this one. This one's quick. This one says find the perimeter of the polygon. Looks weird, but it's actually just a puzzle. Let's change the color here. Let's make it purple. All right. Notice you have a lot of points of tangency, and it says that in the problem. I just didn't write it out here. If this is 5, and I need to find the perimeter of this polygon. Okay, you have a circle inscribed inside of a polygon. If this is 5, that's 5. If that's 3, that's 3. If this is 6, that's 6. If that's 2, that's 2. You just add them all up. 5 plus 5, what's that? It's 10. 3 and 3 is 6, going this way. 6 and 6 is 12. 2 and 2 is 4, right? Yeah, and just add them up. So what's that? 22, 32. That's 32, whatever, units. All right, hopefully that helped. This is probably the longest challenging one. It's not hard. It just takes a little time. So you can do it. All right. It says line 3x plus 4y equals negative 27 is tangent to a circle centered at negative 2, 1. What is the point of tangency? And that's the answer, but that doesn't help us. So I want you to visualize some circle and a line that's tangent to it. And there's my center. My center is the order pair negative 2, 1. Okay? This line, I'm on a Cartesian coordinate system graph, has the equation 3x plus 4y equals negative 27. Now you got to remember your algebra. I know that this line here is perpendicular, okay, because of what we talked about before. Well, they want to know what is the point of the tangent point. I need to know what's this order pair. What's that on an XY graph? Well, since I know this line is here, I need to find a line that's perpendicular to that line. Write the equation for that line. Then I'm going to set those equations equal to each other and solve so where they intersect. So I need to find the equation of that line. Well, the way you do that, I need to first find the slope of the equation of the line that they gave me. So I need to take 3x plus 4y equals negative 27 and find the slope of that line. How do I do that? Let's see, solve for y. Remember y equals mx plus b? If not, you're going to remember now. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. So now I have 4y equals negative 3x minus 27. Divide by 4. Divide everything by 4. So y is equal to negative 3 over 4x minus 27 over 4. Okay? Well, the slope of this line is m equals negative 3 over 4. And if y'all recall from algebra, and if you don't recall, it's okay, but a line that's perpendicular to this slope of this line, your new slope is going to be m equals the negative reciprocal. That means you flip it and take the opposite. So if this is negative 3 over 4, your perpendicular slope is going to be 4 over 3. I just took this, flipped it, took the opposite, which is negative. Well, this was negative, so I made this one positive. So now I need to write the equation of the line with slope of 4/3, and it goes through that point there, which is my center. So I'm going to put negative 2, 1. So I need to write the equation of this line. And you need to remember y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, So you're going to have y minus your y1 is 1 equals your m, which is 4 over 3 times x minus your x1 is negative 2, so it's going to be minus a negative, so it's going to be plus 2. All right, now we need to solve for y. So let's see, distribute, and I'm going to add 1. So I'm going to have y minus 1 equals 4 over 3x plus, I'm distributing, so 4 over 3x, then I got to go 4 over 3 times 2 over 1, which is 8 over 3. And just note, if we're watching this together in class, please just pause, because I know I'm probably going fast. Maybe I'm going fast, I don't know. But the best thing, and if you're watching it by yourself, obviously pause it so you're not rushing through this, okay? All right, so now I need to add 1 on both sides. So now you got y equals 4 over 3x plus, well, how do I do 8/3 plus 1? Well, least common denominator. So my 1, I'm going to change that to 3 over 3. So it's 8 over 3 plus 3 over 3. I'm going to write that out over here. 8 over 3 plus 3 over 3. You could put that in your calculator, but all right, that's going to be 8, 9, 10, 11 over 3. Those of you who are following. Okay, so now I have two equations. You have this equation. This is the equation of the line. I'm going to draw an arrow up here. I can do this. It's going to be the equation of that line. Okay, this is the equation of the tangent line. That is the equation of, that line right there. Now, where those lines intersect is the answer. So now I got to intersect those lines. Since they're both solved for y, just set them equal to each other and solve. So you're going to have 4 over 3 x plus 11 over 3 equals negative 3 over 4 x minus 27 over 4. So this one was a little long. All right, let's solve that. I think the easiest way to solve this is to clear your fraction. So I'm going to put parentheses around everything. I look at my denominators. I got a 4, a 3, multiply everything by the least common denominator of 3 and 4. With 3 and 4 both all divide into 12. I'm going to put 12 on the outside. Okay? Put this over 1. I'm going to distribute. 12 over 1 times this. 3's cancel. That's going to be a 4. 4 times 4. 16x. Plus, over here, 3 goes in here. 4. 4 times 11. That's 44 equals 4 goes in there 3 times. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9x. Minus 4 goes into 12 3 times. 3 times 27 is a number. $81. So that's going to be minus 81. And now all of your fractions disappeared. It's a miracle. So now I'm going to solve that for x. Add 9x on both sides. 16 plus 9 is 25. Run out of space. 25x plus 44 equals negative 81. Subtract 44 on both sides. So now I have 25x equals, what's negative 81 minus 44? Probably a really nice number. I think most of these come out even. I think all of them probably come out even. So it's going to be negative 125 divided by 25. X equals negative 125 divided by 5 is negative 5. Okay, that's one of them. Am I done? No, because you got to find the y value that goes along with this. I told you this was a challenge. So I'm going to take negative 5 and plug it into either one of these equations to get y. Doesn't matter. Let's pick this one. So I'm going to have y equals 4 over 3 times negative 5 plus 11 over 3. That's going to give me negative 20 over 3 because you put your negative 5 over 1 plus 11 over 3. And negative 20 plus 11 is negative 9 over 3. Negative 9 divided by 3 is negative 3. So my ordered pair is negative 5 comma negative 3. So I know that was a lot, but again, pause, go back, watch again, and you'll do great on this second assignment. So challenge yourself to just focus, and as you have questions, you already know the deal. Just be assertive.